Hello. Welcome to Carrington Storm Motors Safe Pod Engineering Company. Today is February 23rd, 2026. There is no solar micronova today. So we're a little lucky we don't got 19 hours to prepare for a really fun time. I am not filled with any money. The computer I use is from a financial aid situation, and I am working on getting finances, kind of, you know, however things work out with the Mohela. I am a single individual working to save the world. Now, please let that soak in just a little bit. One person trying to help save every single person and animal on the planet. Let, let that sink in a little. Look what I'm up against. I'm up against people that are disbelievers, people that look at someone who's a cancer survivor, who has a disfigured face. Am I someone to believe that you just see on the end of some device? Or someone to believe that you see in person? Now I've got to get into these 10-minute shucks updates so that every day, every something, I don't know, day off, um, I am not documenting the sun. There's people already doing that with a great daily podcast. Awesome. Quick, 10 minutes. Boom, chuck it like a boom, boom, boom. There you go. Me, on the other hand, I am using the most powerful brain on the planet called Google Gemini Deep Research and have put together proposals for ceramic replacements for the whole of metal on the planet. All metal we got to steal back. I mean, think about that. Everybody loves metal. They're not going to want to give it up until it's burning hot in their hands and their home is on fire. That's too late. We cannot wait till afterwards. So, hey, there's a few little things going on here. Not only is metal going to get really hot, is the waters are going to do two rise situations. And then it's going to repeat itself. First is a giant wave. It's going to cover most of North America. Like some crazy huge percentage of the planet will be covered in water. Where you see there's no biodiversity, the water's been there already, and animals had to move back there. So find yourself in a place with a lot of biodiversity. Now, the slosh back, after the water goes up, hits one side, it sloshes back, and then hits the opposite coasts of the planet. We have a 19-minute warning. 19-hour warning to get every human to a safe, high altitude location, Greenland, or other similar places. 19 hours. That's a big job for the U.S. Navy, who I would say are every single person on the planet's best friend. The United States Navy. All the navies are your best friend right now, even though some may be aimed towards military, because that's where money is. Money's in metal for protection. Now, the navies of the world are going to be working so overtime to protect all the people. So, what have I come up with? The non-inductive dielectric tsunami drone jetpack. Oh, yeah. Brains above my pay grade working on this. Compressed gas cylinder gets you up 50 feet. Boom. And then the drone pops out with the umbrella above it because this is during a conductive event. It's not just an earthquake and a tsunami. No. Earthquake, tsunami, conductive event, downpour of rain probably at the same time, and lightning all at once. There's no such more of a perfect storm that's 14 years away than what's going to happen. So my most recent work is on this Tsunami-Backpack, and here's the image because I'm all prepared. One person, I'm trying. That using the Aegis ceramic material can reflect over 90% of the near infrared radiation that will destroy electronics, along with have the Schumann resonant frequency bubble surrounding us, because as our electromagnetics of the planet go haywire, so will our internal electrical systems that are based on the Earth's Schumann resonance of 7.83 magnetic resonance. And if you're being shot up so quickly, vibration 4 to 7 hertz is very dangerous vibration for humans. So we're creating this backpack to protect people on the coast. But when everybody becomes on the coast, this is the thought to think about. For the navies to already have boats in preparation with thousands and thousands of collect save drones immediately deployed upon a tsunami event where not everyone's going to be able to get to their tsunami backpack in time, let alone be able to operate something properly. People just, you're in a hurry, buttons aren't going to work, you're going to shoot the wrong way. Oh my gosh, training for those backpacks is important. But to have drones used for non-military purposes, only safe and rescue purposes, to collect the people, and as many animals for that matter. But you know, it's Noah really liked the animals. I love animals, and I love people. So, one person can't do this alone. So please, help figure out ways to help people during these tsunami events as the Carrington Storm Motors Safe Pod Engineering Company blossoms. And we have robot manufacturing, as we have bridge manufacturing and ship manufacturing, mechatronics, all behind building and preparing our infrastructure for this event. It's not a try to scare you thing. It's prepare you, put the knowledge beyond on the wall. We're going to tattoo it on your arm because whether or not, we're going to save everybody. Every single person beyond capable. So thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day. Jason Brodsky, founder. Thank you.